Let me share with you guys one way that you can get a lot of gifts on Christmas Day, okay? A lot of gifts. Just my own little technique, what I use in this house to get the most gifts, okay? Now, let's talk about how to get more gifts, okay? First of all, in this house, we have a lot of assistants, we have a lot of helps. So, all of these helps, they're going to get gifts. Number one starts with our personal cook. We have our lady, we have our chef, the lady that cooks for us in the house, our personal cook, she gets the gift. Our personal cleaner, the lady that makes sure the house stays clean, everything stays intact and organized, she gets the gift. Our doctor assistant, because sometimes there's some illness that you doesn't really need to go to the doctor. So our doctor assistants will do her research on Google on certain symptoms before ever we go to the doctor. So our doctor assistants need a gift. Our accountant, our financial advisor, because without our financial advisor, I think this house will go bankrupt. So we need to give that our financial advisor also a gift, because she helps us making sure that our finance is good in this house, that we don't go bankrupt. So she also need a gift. Our personal hairstylist for the girls, the personal hairstylist, the lady that do all the concoction with all the oils, all the creams, she also, like, a personal hairstylist, she also need a gift. And what else? Oh yeah, the lady that did the shopping, we have someone that goes to the store and do shopping for us and make sure we get the right food, and she also deserves a gift. And who else? Um who else? Who else? What else? What else? What else do we do? What else? Okay, me as the mother, I also deserve a gift. Okay, and all of these assistants I have called, those people are me. I am that person. So I am the one that does all of those tasks. So it's individual tasks, has individual gifts. So that's the reason why at the end of the year I get the most gifts. I don't need to package my gifts because it's not necessary. I know what I'm having. So that's the way for you to get a lot of gifts if you want to get a lot of gifts during the holiday season.